let me show you all screen lock methods available on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. So we're gonna go to the settings, then lock screen and AOD, and then over here we have screen lock and biometrics. So first we have the pin code, which should have at least 4 digits. So if you enter a combination of 4 digits, then you can press continue. However, 6 digits at least is recommended. There is also the password, where we can use a string of letters, numbers, and special characters as well. And we need to use at least 4 characters and include at least 1 letter. And then we also have the pattern, where we need to connect the dots in order to create a password. And of course, besides that, we have a swipe that doesn't provide really any security. It is used to have the lock screen but without the password, and none completely disables the lock screen. And also we have biometrics, the face recognition, so we can scan our face data and use it to unlock our phone, and fingerprint sensor. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!